Hi guys, welcome back. More about this bag that we created and the bag that I fixed because I made a mistake. It's fine. So what am I going to do with this bag? So I have two different brochures. This one is in French and English in here, and I say it's in English. It says French and English, but I don't. Oh, down here. I see it now. Ha. Okay. All right. So I think what I'm going to do on this one is I really like this picture. I have really no idea what's happening with the picture, but I think I'm going to cut out the picture and I'm going to stick it on top of the outside of this bag because I think it's really neat. And then with this one, so Mom and I actually toured the museum where this super cool tapestry is housed, and it talks about the epic adventure of William the Conqueror, but again, it's a tapestry, so this entire thing was embroidered and it was amazing, and I do want to capture that because I do remember that and it was super awesome. It's also called the Bayeux tapestry. Please don't make fun of me. I don't know how to say things in French. But it was a super cool tapestry, so I want to make sure that I capture it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this guy out, and maybe some of the details that are over here in English on the back, because again, we know I don't read French. And I think I'm going to use that inside this bag. All right, so hang on, let me do those 1, 2, 3 things, and I'll be right back. Hang on. Okay, so I figured it out. All right, so I did find this super cool map on the back of that very same brochure, and I just ended up cutting it out. I wouldn't call this fussy cutting, it's more just like rough cutting. But I think I'm going to stick this guy on right here. I've already put glue on the back of it. And I'm just going to make sure that it doesn't go too far over this page that I already have here. And I'll go ahead and get that guy down. And then I'm going to use this picture of, I don't know what it is again. I already glued it, but I'm just gonna put some more glue on it just for good measure. Okay, more glue. Okay, so more glue on here. Ooh, glue almost fell on the floor. Okay, and I think I'm just gonna put this guy right here because I think he looks really cool for absolutely no reason at all. And here's the page that I was talking about to begin with. And I started to cut this out, but then I realized these are the words that I wanted on the back. So I just used washi tape to cover up my mistake. As you can see, this is kind of a theme. Now, what I had originally planned to do is just kind of stick this guy in here like this, but that's not going to work because I want the whole page. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it up into thirds-ish, like this. Actually, I kind of want it like this because I really like it. That was a super cool tapestry. And okay, so I have it now folded into thirds like that. And now, hopefully, this guy is just going to fit in here. And he doesn't. He's a little bit too long. Can I cut that? Yep, sure can. All right. So time to do a little trimmeroo right here. And then, does he fit now? No, he doesn't fit now. Okay, let's do another little trimmeroo. I'm losing just a little bit of the picture, but it's okay. Let's have the majority of it in here. There we go. And now he just fits in here just like this. Now I think I'm going to take my pen, my metallic marker, and I'm just going to go around here and kind of decorate the edge a little bit. Not that it needs it per se, but I just kind of want to be perfectly honest with you. And I'm just going to do a little bit of emphasizing with this pen on here. Again, I don't have to, just kind of want to. And there is a blank spot in the middle, but I kind of like it because you can see the tapestry that comes through here. So that's it. There we go. I think this page is pretty much done. All right, guys. See you next week. Bye.